Hi everyone, this is Mind Aviation here. Today we are going to do another unboxing video of British Airways Boeing 777-200ER in the Great Britain Festival livery NG1400 scale. There it is, guys. It's a beautiful graphics, and you can see all the details about this aircraft. And we have the Great Britain, and we have the red flowers, and you can see we have the cockpit windows. The registration number is G-YMML, and you can see the blue kind of fuselage with the APU, and you can see the premium economy section and the standard economy section with the business class section. And on the other side also have the flowers with the stem, the festival schemes, and we have the Great Britain, and it took off from London Heathrow to Denver, Colorado, which was this aircraft in this livery, and it was 10 hours on the head, and it has all the other special liveries today. And the British Airways 777 had the professional England football team, and they had the Panda scheme, and they had the One World scheme. And you can see the Union flag tail design, and we have the Speedbird logo in the front, the British Airways crown, and you can see the double ML in front of the cockpit, and you can see the ML on the tail, so the left hand side, and the nose gear. The special liveries are being serviced in 2015, so do the Panda liveries, and yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We shall see you in the next review.